Yes, full day of eating, 2,400 calories. Let's dive straight in.
Let's exchange your mind out. Let's exchange for what?
Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look bug when I look back. I wanna look ram. This trending and fitness, trust to the process.
What's going on, my good people, and welcome to my full day of eating. Today, as usual, what we're going to do, we're going to keep our protein level as high as possible, but also make sure the calories are not that high. We're going to try and keep the calories as low as possible. These meals are perfect for literally bulking muscle. If you're looking to sort of like get that ripped abs, or build up muscle in terms of hitting that beach and looking topless and absolutely looking shredded, these are the type of meals you need to obtain. These are the type of meals you need to eat, not only on a daily basis, but on a weekly basis. And ladies, same as you, if you're looking to fit into that lovely bikini, looking all slender and fine, ensure to incorporate these meal plans within your diet. So without further ado, we're going to dive in with our first meal of the day, which is breakfast. Now, you guys know when it comes to breakfast, I tend to alternate. For the past couple of months, I've been on my porridges with my raspberries, blackberries and bananas. However, due to the fact that we're in May now and the weather is getting a bit hotter, we're going to change up a bit. We're going back to my granolas. Again, high protein granola, but we're going to have that with some Arla yogurt. On the side, we're going to have some fruit. We're going to have 1 apple, 1 orange, some pineapple, and also we're going to wash that down with a cup of coffee. So without further ado, let's dive in. First meal of the day, breakfast.
Gym time, gain season, shred C, you know like that, yeah, let's exchange, hey everybody, let's exchange your mind out, let's exchange for what? Exchange for gains.
So literally we've got our few granola pot here. This one is literally high in fiber, high in protein. This pot itself is 70 grams, but it literally holds 11.2 grams of protein. So for such a little tub, it holds quite a lot of weight in terms of protein. This flavor is peanut crunch. You can get various flavors. I get these from Muscle Food. So guys, again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I'm just being honest with you lot. They do good granolas. I'm not gonna lie. They do chocolate. They do literally chocolate and berry. This one here, peanut crunch. If you love a granola, highly recommended. And not only that, it also comes in batches. So you can order like 24 and they do deals and things like that. If you haven't already checked them out, please feel free to check them out. So I'm gonna mix that with my favorite flavor, strawberry Arla yogurt. Again, this yogurt itself has 20 grams of protein. For such a little thing like that, 20 grams of protein, so again, pretty high. This tub itself holds 200 grams. So literally what I'm gonna do, mix it together, cut up some fruit, like I said before, literally have a cup of coffee with that, and that will be breakfast. Look at that, 2 little things, literally over 30 grams of protein. So you can't really go wrong, do you know what I mean? So yeah, let's crack on and mix these bad boys up.
Them get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look bug when I look back. I wanna look ram. This trending and fitness, trust to the process. There's gonna be days where they just staying on it, but keep that path in focus. This journey ain't no sprint, it's more like a marathon. Take them slow steps. Keep grinding, cause you will see progress. Wait, lots of bulky, even in that place, we'll hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I made those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren. Weight gain went all crazy, get locked down. So much damage. Looked to the mirror one day and said, fuck this. Watch our pattern. Now I know what the plan is. Make it happen. But I shut down the motive I had for 2 years, I started slacking. But now that I'm here in the gym, I load up bar and keep it banging. Now that I'm here in the gym, I load up bar and keep it banging. Yeah, I'm still henching that, but now there's extra meat, it's all mad. I went from 11 and a half to 16 stone, trust figures all mad. But then I got active, I took that down to 14.9, I'm glad. Just trust in the process, you'll see progress, that's not gas, that's facts. Gotta start eating right. Them barely starts of a job, but keep that focus locked inside. We can make it happen, just stay on path and keep that goal in mind. Let's think of them dickheads who start this thing and say it's too hard and slide. Don't be like one of them guys. Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look bug when I look back. I wanna look ram. This trending and fitness, trust trust to the process. There's gonna be days when you're just staying on it, but keep that path in focus. This journey, it ain't no sprint, it's more like a marathon. Take them slow steps. Keep grinding, cause you will see progress. Wait, no support.
This meal contains 200 grams of Arla protein strawberry yogurt, 70 grams of granola peanut crunch, a medium-sized orange, a medium-sized apple, 150 grams of pineapple chunks in its own juice, and a coffee. By the way, my good people, if you're feeling this channel, please feel free to subscribe right about now. Like I said before in my previous videos, this year we're looking to hit a minimum of 500 subscribers. Minimum. So if you have not subscribed or you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please feel free to subscribe right about now. It will not only help me out, but it will help out the channel in terms of the algorithm, just to get it out there, to be honest with you. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe right about now. Okay, so after having such a heavy breakfast, guys, you saw that breakfast, packed with protein and high in volume. Now it's time for my mid-morning snack. Now in terms of my mid-morning snack, usually I keep the volume high and the calories low. But after having such sort of a heavy breakfast, I don't really need to have that volume quite high. However, I am still going to keep the protein levels high. So what we're going for 2 protein pancakes from Muscle Foods. This one here is the blueberry pancake flavor. Again, pretty nice, pretty solid. And we've got some toffee shots as well, just to put on top of the pancakes. Not only that, we've also got some high protein crisps. This particular flavor is Thai sweet chili. It contains 8 grams of protein, so again, pretty nice. Only 157 calories in terms of the amount of calories I'm going to be eating for this particular bag. Doesn't need to be high, crazily volume. The volume for my breakfast is crazy already. I'm going to keep that protein level as high as possible. Pancakes, a little bit of the shots on top of those pancakes, some protein crisps, and wash it down with a glass of water. You can't really go wrong. With the pancakes, I will be putting a little bit of syrup. Now guys, when you're putting syrup or honey on pancakes, it's important not to go over the top. Yes, everyone likes to sort of like a sweet tooth here and there, but when it comes to pancakes, you don't want to drizzle it. I've seen sort of like a lot of people drizzling literally their pancakes with syrup and honey, and it just looks a mess. Yes, it might taste nice, but remember, if you're someone who's trying to lose weight, you want to keep your sugar levels as low as possible. Not to say you want to cut them out completely, but you want to keep them as low as possible. So when I'll be applying this sort of like syrup to my pancakes, you'll see that I won't be going over the top of it. Just a nice little drizzle over the pancakes with the shots, packet of crisps and some water. Easy when it comes to sort of like a morning snack. Again, that will hold me until lunchtime at least.
Gym, I load that bar and keep it banging, banging. Now that I'm here in the gym, I load that bar and keep it banging. Yeah, we do henching now, but now this to me it's so mad. I went from 11.5 to 16 stone, trust me, it's so mad. But then I got active and took that down to 14.9, I'm glad. Just trust in the process, you see progress, that's not gas, that's facts. Gotta start eating right, then barely starts on a job, but keep that focus locked inside. We can make it happen, just stay on path and keep that going.
So there you go, guys. For my mid-morning snack, we've got 1 pack of UFit protein crisps, 100 grams of a blueberry pancake, and then on top we've got a nice toffee shots with a little bit of syrup. You see, who says food needs to be boring when you're trying to either lose weight or build muscle? This is high in protein, and also it's actually low in calories as well. So take on board, guys, it doesn't need to be boring. We've now come to my favourite meal of the day, which is lunch. Now when it comes to building muscle or losing weight in general, a lot of us have that mindset where whatever you eat has to be boring, or it has to be sort of like extremely healthy. And to be fair, to a certain extent, that may be the case. However, what you'll see right now with my lunch, you can put a little bit of naughty things here and there inside it and still build muscle and still lose weight at the same time. Not only that, you're treating yourself. Do you know what I mean? So what we're going to do, we're going to have the following for my lunch. So we're going to go for a chicken buffalo pizza from Muscle Food, again high in protein, 2 unsmoked bacon medallions, 100 grams of egg whites, half a medium-sized avocado, and 2 slices of farmhouse seeded bread. The thing is, what I love about this particular meal is it's easy to make, absolutely simple. Literally with the pizza, it takes between 10 and 12 minutes. Literally pop it in the oven, before you know it, it's done. And not only that, with the other ingredients that we're going to use, simple again, very simple, very easy. You know, you don't have to be sort of like a chef to make these things. And not only that, they're high in protein and they're high in volume. So this should last me from now until lunchtime with ease. You've seen the breakfast I've had. You saw the snack that I had as well. So with lunch, again, is quite weighty in terms of the amount of foods we're getting packed in here. It will definitely last us until lunchtime. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Let's prepare lunch.
Get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look good when I look back. I wanna look wham. Get them things. This journey get fitness, trust to the process. There's gonna be days where they just staying on it, but keep that path in focus. This journey get ain't no sprint, it's more like a marathon. Take them slow steps. Keep grinding, cause you will see progress. Wait, no smoking, even in that place, we'll hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I made those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren. Wait, go crazy, get locked down. So much damage. Look to the mirror one day and said, fuck this. Watch our pattern. Now I know what the plan is. Make it happen. But we shut down the motive I had for 2 years, I started slacking. But now that I'm here in the gym, I load up bar and keep it banging. Now that I'm here in the gym, I load up bar and keep it banging. Yeah, I'm still henching that, but now there's extra meat, it's all mad. I went from 11.5 to 16 stone, trust me, it's all mad. But then I got active, I took that down to 14.9, I'm glad. Let's trust in the process, you'll see progress, there's no gas, that's fast. Gotta start eating right. Them early starts on my job, but keep that focus locked inside. We can make it happen, just stay on path and keep that golden mind. There's man in the blink as we start this tingling, say it's too hard to slide. Don't be like one of them guys. Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look good when I look back. I wanna look wild.
And there you have it, guys. Lunch. Look at the amount of food we have. Literally packed with full of volume, high protein, and this will definitely last us until dinner time. After having such a heavy lunch, you know, sometimes when I'm at my desk at work or I'm working from home, just before dinner, I just like to have something to nibble on, just something for a snack. Nothing too over the top, nothing too heavy. So what I've got here, I've got this popcorn lightly salted. Each pack only holds 44 calories, each pack literally. So what I like to do, put both of them in a bowl, have a glass of water with it, or just like a little bit of juice, nothing too heavy, nothing too over the top. And again, just a snack on, rather than going for biscuits or, you know, your normal packet of crisps or sweets or chocolates, popcorn. You can't go wrong with popcorn. Again, low in calories. And they will fill you up until the time you need required in terms of that gap between lunch and dinner. Perfect for it. So put both of these popcorns in a bowl, glass of water, and that will definitely hold me until dinner time. So yeah, that's my little sort of like midway snack. Popcorn.
Gym, I load up bar and keep it banging. Now that I'm here in the gym, I load up bar and keep it banging. Yeah, I'm still henching that, but now there's extra meat, it's all mad. I went from 11.5 to 6.
Okay guys, we've now come to the final meal of the day, which is dinner. Now again, for dinner we're going to keep it pretty simple but effective. We're going for 30 grams of quinoa, 100 grams of king-size prawns in garlic oil, and to wash it down we're going to have a protein shake mixed with water, not milk or anything like that. Again, we're keeping it effective, we're keeping that calorie level as low as possible, but again we're keeping the protein level as high as possible. Quinoa and prawns, very high in protein. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive straight in. Dinner.
Trust in the process, you'll see progress, that's not gas, that's facts. Gotta start eating right. Them early starts on a job, but keep that focus locked inside. We can make it happen, just stay on path and keep that golden mind. There's man to them dickers, we start this tingling, say it's too hard to slide. Don't be like one of them guys. Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look good when I look back. I wanna look wham. Get them gains.
And there you have it, the final meal of the day, dinner. This meal alone is less than 350 calories and it's packed with protein. Okay my good people, that's all from me for today. If you're feeling this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on the socials, the Instagrams, the TikTok, the Twitters. The name is The Ron Official. I'll be uploading more content on a weekly basis, whether it's 4 days of eating or tips and advice in terms of how to lose weight or build muscle, or just general fitness advice where I've basically incorporated within my journey to lose that substantial amount of body fat. Take care, stay blessed, stay positive, get them gains, and don't give up on your goals. Peace.
Wait, no smoking, even in that place, we'll hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I made those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren. Wait.